today we're looking at the various stages of heads that you can buy. These are just YD25s, for example. We are getting quite a lot of people with the online ordering getting confused and buying the wrong thing. So a lot of our heads come in 4 options. This is the first option, which is just a bare casting. It's got valve seats and everything machined. So you can reface old valves, use all your old parts, and you'll need to get gaskets and head bolts with that one. Moving on to the next one, it's available as a head kit. It comes with a full set of valves, head bolts, and gaskets, but the head is unassembled, so you will need to use your old valve springs and everything and set up all your own clearances and all that sort of stuff with your original cams, the whole lot. Moving on to the third option is an assembled head without gaskets and head bolts. So if you've already bought gaskets or head bolts, or you prefer to use your own, we have this available as an assembled head. As you can see, it's got valves and springs and everything fitted. It also comes with brand new camshafts and the clearance is set. So there's no machine work to be done with this. And then lastly, the fourth option is the same as the third. It's a fully assembled head with cams and everything fitted, clearances, the whole lot set, but you get gaskets and head bolts to fit it, so you don't need to go anywhere to buy anything else.